Hey guys, do you know when we use our phones the most? No, it is not for calling. It is not for making calls. It is in fact for clicking pictures. And just like you, I too love clicking pictures, but I am not able to do so. Kiki, do you have any idea how to get better at clicking pictures and making videos?
Of course. Why don't you try accessories that will help you enhance your photography and videography?
Okay, yeah, you're right, Kiki. I never thought about that. But even one of my very close friends who creates content, she also uses a lot of accessories. I know, right? By the way, guys, meet Kiki. She is my super cool AI friend and a superb advisor, and she's going to be with us throughout the video today. So any idea where we can buy these accessories from, Kiki?
The one and only Amazon. It's the best.
Oh yeah, my friend suggested the same. She also said that they have a huge collection. Let's look for some smartphone accessories, Kiki. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so first things first, now guys, that you know that I shoot quite often from my phone, and this is why today we will not just shop for phone accessories, but we will also give you tips on how to use them. So let's start with lenses. Now, a good lens is a must for better quality pictures and videos. Even though my phone camera does a decent job, I still need something better, right? So let's open the Amazon app now. Look at this, Kiki. They have a screen magnifier, joystick, phone grip holder, a phone holder for car, and so many more cool accessories. I think I need this phone holder for the car.
Okay, but why don't you look for lenses first?
Let's search for some smartphone lenses in the search bar. Let me select the filter option of customer rating as 4 stars and above. And now, look, they have fisheye lens also. Also, if you want a 360 picture, all you need to do is buy a fisheye lens. I think I'm going to select the Skyvik Signy 1 mobile camera lens as it is the best for portrait photography. And the lens is 60mm. I'm adding this to my bag. The best part is all you need to do is attach the clip on your phone camera and you will end up clicking some amazing pictures out there. This lens is compatible with almost all types of smartphones. It has an optical zoom feature, which means I can click pictures of distant objects easily. Superb, isn't it?
This is great. I think now you should check for LED lights.
Right, how can I forget? My normal pictures look quite dull, and so I definitely want to buy a nice LED light. Let me type LED lights for smartphones in the search bar, and now let me look for options. I will filter my options out by selecting the sort by filter. Under that, I'm choosing the newest arrivals. Hey, let me check this LED light option. Wow, it is portable LED light compatible with smartphones, tablets, cameras, and even laptops. It's the perfect size, and I didn't know I would get one which is so small. Now I can carry it wherever I go. So cool, right? Wow, I'm adding this to my bag right now. Now all you need to do is just add a clip on your laptop screen, mobile or tab, and you will get some amazing light for your photos, live streaming, makeup videos, video recordings and Zoom meetings. So convenient, right? You can thank me later for this one. Also, you can get 3 color modes like white, warm and natural. And it is free to adjust the brightness from 1% to 100%.
It's awesome. One mic lamp takes care of light filling and recording. There is no need to buy another light filling lamp and microphone. One device can handle live recording, online teaching, video live filming recording, media interview, live selling, outdoor shooting and so on. You know, I feel there is sometimes a lot of background noise in your videos, which ultimately degrades the quality of your video.
That is so right, Kiki. I need something for that.
The solution is all-in-one rig for smartphones.
Let me go back to the same page and look for some options. I think I'll go with this one. Let me see how it works. Hey, now I can record music and visuals with better LED lights with this one thing. I really love this. I am adding this to my cart.
The best part is that you can mount it with most tripods, slider, stabilizer or dollies. The built-in phone mount holder is compatible with most cell phones and smartphones. Now, you can record through the mic on top, add LED light in the middle, and attach your phone at the center mount for high quality and not so shaky videos.
That sounds so perfect, right, Kiki? This is going to be so helpful. Now, the last thing I need is a gimbal for dynamic shots. Let me go for the search bar and search for a gimbal for smartphones. I quickly filter it out and select eligible for pay on delivery. I like this. One of my friends is using this and she says the product quality is amazing. And so I'm adding this to my bag. And done. You know, sometimes I feel I have never known how to take dynamic shots. But I feel now I can attach my phone to the mount and take some amazing shots for my Instagram. It pans for 340 degrees and it's foldable and the most compact, so it can fit easily in your bag even when you're traveling. My cart looks amazingly exciting now. I can't wait for it to get delivered. Now I'm sure I can level up my Insta game just like everyone else. Tell me which one is your favorite smartphone accessory and keep watching this space for more such interesting dynamic content.